So if you stayed with me this long, the next question that my client asked was, what's the difference between closing cost on a purchase and closing cost on a refi? So you know what we're going to do? We're going to get into it. Let's go. Hi, my name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage, and today we're going to go over the differences on a $600,000 loan on a purchase versus a refinance. We're going to compare what those costs are. Plain and simple, it is more expensive on a purchase than it is on a refinance. Okay. So how I'm going to go and break this down is keep in mind when you're doing a purchase, you're also paying on the purchase price. So in the instance of a $750,000 purchase and a $600,000 loan amount, your state recordation and a few of the other fees are based upon a higher amount. Whereas when you're doing the refinance and you have the equity from there, you're not paying additional fees because you have that equity. So as you can see, closing cost here on the refinance has a lot fewer items than it does on the purchase, okay? So in general here, major differences are the lender's title insurance is cheaper, so it's about $500 cheaper, okay? Your recordation cost for the city and state on the left side on a purchase is $3.34 per thousand on purchase price and loan amount versus $2.40 per thousand on a refinance. You also do not have an owner's title insurance policy that you're buying because you only buy it one time, and it's good on the refi, and that helps you save on the lender's coverage on this one. That's why they give you a discount, okay? You also wouldn't have the pest, the home warranty, home inspection, radon, and survey either. So when you're comparing these two, $13,068 on a purchase versus $53.59 on a refinance. All right, so keep in mind a couple other things when you start up the escrow account. Both are required, or you could waive them either way, but they both would have 17 days of interest to the end of the month. You would still have the same amount of escrows startup, but your yearly policy is already in effect on the purchase side, on the purchase, so you wouldn't have unless it's due right when you go to do your refinance. So these escrows are on a refi are based upon when the bills are due, just like on a purchase, okay? On the refi, you'd be paying off an old loan, so I just put that it was $5,999 or $600,000. So in this instance, you would add both these two boxes together, and you would bring roughly $9,785 to the closing table. But keep in mind, if you're doing a refinance, you're going to get your old escrow account back from your old lender, so it should break out to be roughly the closing cost of the $53.59 versus $13,068. So closing costs on a refinance are much cheaper. Now, keep in mind I've made my living off of doing no-cost refis. If you can get a lender credit that covers the $53.59, you can do a no-cost refi, okay? Some have asked, can you do a no-cost purchase? Answer is technically yes. If you can get a seller credit or a lender credit that covers those closing costs, then you effectively could do that also. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage. So today I went through the cost differences between a purchase and a refinance, $600,000 loan amount, what the actual cost differences are when it comes to doing a refinance after you've purchased your home. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage, dedicated to doing business with you in Virginia, Maryland, D.C. If you have any questions, give me a call, 703-799-5626. Look forward to serving you. To all the Marines out there, you know what I'm going to say. Semper Fi. I'll talk to you soon. I hope this was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe. Much appreciated.